Hello everybody and welcome to Dr. Niki's tutorials. In this video we are going to learn how to import and add templates in our Notion workspace. So let's get started. Here in Notion, click on templates. And here are many templates that you want to use. For example, I wanted this lesson plans template. Click on use this template. It's being added, just a couple of seconds, and here it is. It's opening right now, and here it is added to my workspace, as you can see, as lesson plans. You may change the title from here and this stuff, and that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, type down for us below in the comments, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and have a good day.